Well, it's another beautiful day here in Festerton, and we've got our 1941 Chrysler into some temporary shelter, and now we've got to set up a shop in there. But in the meantime, we've created another problem. We don't have space for these two vehicles that were removed. Now, I got one tarped up, but we still got old Red here. Is going to need some nighttime cover, so we've got to find another spot for that, and the only place I can think of is going to be in this shelter here, but we got to get the junk out of there so we have some more room. And also the gold wing has to go in there too, so let's get that fired up and get things moving. Alrighty, we'll let that warm up, and then we'll get busy moving some other junk out of that shed. We'll have to get old Red lined up and throw a chain on and drag some crap out of there. All right, let's get to it. Oh, hold on. We're good. Keep going. I don't know. Can't really see anything, so let's do our best. Can't hear anything clunking, so that's a good sign. And we'll see what's next. Well, it's a little tight, but it works. So now we got to get this shop set up. So let's get that done. Well, I've thought about this whole situation here, and I think this work table should go in the corner here, and then we'll take this compressor and stick it over here by the power source, and then we'll see about getting a grinder and a vise. So let me get this table moved and we'll go from there. Marketplace special, 40 bucks. That'll do. Let's get this compressor set up. I think we're going to stick the grinder right about here and then try and find a vise to put right on the corner here. I think that'll work out good. Let's get this kind of lined up. That's perfect. And looky here. It's even got the dual rear view mirrors, so I can admire myself while I'm working. That's fantastic. All right, let's go to Marketplace and find a vise. Well, no luck on finding a vise yet, but it's just a matter of time. We'll see one on Marketplace and we'll grab that and install it right here. But in the meantime, my lighting system came in. Let's get this opened up and we'll see what we got here. Hopefully it's what I was expecting. Okay, well, the usual instructions. Oh, look at that, extra bulbs. All right, let's get this out. I don't need red, that's for sure. Anyways, that's basically it. Yeah, let's string those up and change the bulbs and see how that looks. I like it. Well, that's just awesome. I'm all set for Christmas. All right, let's change these bulbs and see if that makes a difference. And as luck would have it, I was able to find this bucket of bulbs on Marketplace. 10 bucks. Can't go wrong with that. All right, let's see if that helps. Definitely better. Well, I think we've got everything set up that we need to get back on this 1941 Chrysler. Let me just show you what's going on with the car. So where we left off, we kind of got everything painted on the block and everything's cleaned up there. We've got some parts over there on the bench. Some of them are painted and ready to go. So I've just finished cleaning all the threads on these studs for the intake exhaust manifold to go back on. Still got to take all these gaskets off, clean that surface, and get it ready for the new gaskets and the manifold, which is over here. It's already ready to go. We painted that in the last episode, and it looks good. And we've got our thermostat housing ready to go. What we have to do next is the carburetor. I got the whole unit here. It's the carburetor, air filter, and it's been sitting a long time, so we got to probably open it up and clean it. I don't think it's seized. No, it's definitely not seized, but it's been sitting for a long time, so we'll see what we can do with that. Hopefully we don't need any gaskets, but I got a feeling we're going to have to deal with that issue. But basically we're all set up and ready to go put this thing back together. I know for sure I'm going to have to look at those points and see what's going on there, but for the rest we're doing pretty good. And I guess we're going to have to get some heat, as we're only about 45 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's starting to get cold in here, but we'll figure something out. But in the meantime, yeah, we're just going to keep working. Thanks for watching, folks. We're back in business again here, so let's carry on with this whole Chrysler, and I hope to see you on the next one.